CX Automatic 2 Capping Heads Vacuum Capping Machine. This capping machine is using vacuum capping system. Designed for glass bottle or glass jar metal cap twist-off vacuum capping. The capping torque and vacuum degree can be set as needed to ensure that the vacuum degree reaches the absolute standard. Suitable for bottle caps of various shapes and sizes, with strong compatibility. The sealing contact material of the screw cap is food-grade silicone and fluorine rubber. Perfect performance and efficient in vacuum capping. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.